else? Here we go.
I'll take down the store. Most of them, we didn't see it on Google Maps. So, yeah. Or we can show mo, show. Okay. So we show for the vlog. Oh my god. Okay.
4% 6?
Yeah. Ako, show mo, show. Bagay ba? Cute. Hindi mo siya sobrang sikip. Pero show. Pero dapat may allowance. Yeah.
Hindi na kaya nagbano ng cash shopping. Bata.
Yan. Parang better, no? Oh, nice. Sideways. Dito.
Wala yan sa outlet.
Oh, sideways. Tagapag. Yeah. Diba? Ato ni kadali ko yung buong bono na nabagaling. Kasi ano siya eh, Italian place siya eh. Wow. That is the real thing. Uy, ang ganda ko dito. So, isama mo to sa vlog. Ayun. Hi, vlog. We're at Pasta Lovers. Okay, bye! So good.
Okay naman. My hands are cold. We're here at Target. Target. We're gonna buy some snacks.
And snacks.
It's cold. It's so cold right now. Anyway.
Ay, pero kailangan na sa ref siya, no?
Yeah. Bigo.
This one, purple and pink. Berry punch run.
Kay Tito Ninyo. Press here. Wala naman eh. Ito, flip. Shout out, shout out.
Just want to shout out to my nieces here. Welcome to New York.
Welcome to New York.
Like, as eerie as the quiet place. I don't think I should have done wala alak-lak mo po eh. Kaya naman salad bowl. Nasa report mo. Ito. Ang hang. Ganda. Sarap sa lalamunan. Ang hang.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Birria. Salad. Lalagyan natin ng onions. Ooh, looks good. Chipotle ranch yung. Ooh. Ay.
Lumapit man natin.
Medyo dry nga lang, pero pwede na.
Pwede na.
Ang tapang ng onions.
Diba? Hindi kasi siya luto ay kaya raw.
Yeah.
Diba? Buta pa yun. Siya yung kasi ano ba? Burlington. Ano ba yung Burlington?
We're at Marshall's and we're gonna do the, if it's under ganito, I'll buy it. Okay, so this one, first item, if it's under 30, if it's under 30, I'll buy it. Okay, price check! Price check! Oh! 25! Okay, let's buy it. Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. Yes. Okay, if it's under 20, you can buy it. Tan 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 tan. Uy, $14.99. Yes, we check. I got my speed cats. Hinintay ko pa si Mami. Andun pa siya. Let's go! Okay, may kinukuha sila doon. Yes, yes. Kaya mo yan, te. Kaya mo yan, te. Malapit na. Okay, nakuha na nila ata. Okay, guys, we found these jerseys. Ang cute. Ito, ang cute na to. Yan yung tamang large ni Gia. Tingnan mo yung itsura ng large. Parang mas okay.
Di large pala.
New York Jets. Kano ba to? If it's under 10, we're gonna buy it.
Hindi siya under 10.
It is under 10. $7.99. We're gonna buy this. Actually, ang ganda din ito eh. Kaya lang walang size.
Ito pwede
for
kasi size
Gia.
mo na to.
Tingnan nyo kasi kung ano kalaki yung large.
Okay ko. Ito hindi lang. A small one. Ang dami ko nilagay doon. I'll get one. Cute eh. Cute yan. Very
Mermaid tails. Okay. If this is under $7, I'll get it. Yes! $9.99.
Toy eggs.
$8.99. Yes!
Sayang.
Okay, if this is under 20, I'll buy it. Okay. Let's check. $29.99.
Ay, sayang.
$29.99. Parang hindi namin gets yung assignment.
Ito shark.
Pabaliktad kami. If this is under 20, we'll buy it. Ready? $24.99.
Oh, shit.
Sayang. Sayang.
Paano ba ba? Marshalls for the random item. Starbucks slippers. Kunyari ito.
Elf on the Shelf. Cookies and milk. Oh, yung kita mo nito. Bluey.
Bluey!
And my clean room. Look. Pre-glued under lash extensions.
That's a cut.